Grady.
What?
What are we doing today?
We're getting a couple Christmas trees.
Are we getting a Christmas tree?
Yeah, we're getting Christmas trees. It's like pictures.
Yeah, it's all video, Mom.
You don't. Oh, hold on. We have to stand still.
Yeah, we have to stand still. No Charlie Brown trees. This music is so loud, I don't want to get copyright striked. I'm kind of far enough away now from the... Did I tell you about the
And they make stuff up.
No.
Grady!
Call in and
What?
you're anonymous. And
Hello.
some guy called in and said,
Oh, we're down at the bottom here. We might need to start going inward. I can't see. All right, so this is the little brother Grady. Where are you? There you are.
I got the cart stuck.
He's got the cart. And today we're finding 2 Christmas trees. One for our house, for the family house, and one for my grandma's house. A smaller one. So we have a lot to choose from at this lovely spot. There's also a goal. Where are you, Grady? There's also a goal I have that I'm trying to do.
Oh, I like this
Is
one
I
right
want
up here.
to I want to try to lift the tree like a shoulder press. But I don't know how heavy it is.
Trees
If
aren't
it's
that
like
heavy.
if it's like 40 pounds or 50 pounds, I should be able to do it because I've actually was doing shoulder presses this week for said reason.
Just trying
But
it out.
yeah, I even
Just to lift
put
a tree.
yeah, because I thought it'd be cool. It'd be a good cool thumbnail. I
Oh.
thought it'd be a cool thumbnail.
Yes, it is.
So what are these, Dad? Douglas firs? Need a thick boy.
Oh, want a big fat
Dad's
one.
always like
Need
a
a-
little round.
Yeah.
there's a taller one, Laura. That's big.
Our family doesn't know what to pick.
They really don't.
Which one Grady will.
Put it in your back pocket.
Still recording?
No, I'm just pointing at him and looking at him.
Record.
You doing a video?
No, I'm.
Get it low to the ground.
It is.
There's a gap right here, bud. Want Grady to take over?
Are you pulling
I'm going to. When
slightly that way?
Yeah.
Because that's helping. It'll go through it. It's the blades are sharp, unlike Grady's Sawzall. When I had to change Sawzall, when I had to change the
Blades.
blades.
Well, yeah, we were cutting up a car.
I haven't even edited and released that video yet.
Thank you for doing this, Avery.
True mountain man, winded after 3 minutes of salt.
What's more?
Did you get it on video, Grady?
Yes.
I think you didn't necessarily want.
Ah.
Film your father giving directions. Yay, Avery. Beautiful job.
No, wait. I want to see something.
Is he still filming?
Yes, because Avery wants to.
I want to try to pick up the tree.
Are you filming this?
Oh, Grady.
Film it.
I am filming it. We were criticizing Grady getting it too low or too high.
You both did. It's hard to get really, really low.
Oh, you're getting tired out there. I'm dead.
Did you take your jacket off so it doesn't get all dirty?
That's what jackets
Too
are
late now,
for.
love.
Yeah, it's too late.
Tilt it back, Avery, towards you more. No, the other
Other
way.
way.
Towards
This.
you. There you go.
There you go.
Yay!
Ugh.
Trees are home. You can open it.
Did they drill a hole in it?
Whoa. No.
I can't.
I was gonna say. Lift it.
You want me to lift the tree?
Yeah. Just slightly. Yeah, and then go.
Oh, I see.
No.
Yeah.
I'm
I
trying to
see.
spin the tree, not the
All right, so
brace.
spin it. Yeah, right there. That's good. Give me that green thing.
Riley!
What?
Where's the green thing?
Oh, here it is. I got it. Why would they put a leg right where the thing pivots around?
Oh no.
All right, gently let it go, Avery, and let Mama see. Fastest we've ever put
Move
it
it
up.
the hair that way.
You want this to
Yeah,
spin?
just like 2 inches. There, stop. See, you don't need to do all these years. Help me.
Maybe if I went to school all the time.
Why not?
Avery.
And that was us making the Christmas tree. Beautiful, having a fun time out in the cold. Thank you guys for watching so much on Mountain Man Life. If you like this video and want to see more of it, don't feel afraid to hit the subscribe button and hit that little notification bell so you get notifications every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful winter.